Minister Mamata Banerjee and her rival Shivendu Adhikari are going to be facing off each other in the constituency today. Didi is going to be filing her nomination papers from the constituency at about 2:30 p.m. Mamata will contest the Nandigram seat for the first time after her 2011 campaign that brought her to power in the state centred around the Nandigram agitation. While Mamata is going to be filing her papers, her rival Shivendu will inaugurate his election office in Nandigram shortly. He will walk from his old office space towards the new office, inaugurating it. This is around the time Mamata Banerjee is going to be temple hopping in Nandigram ahead of her nomination. Ahead of this mega face-off, posters calling Shivendu Nandigram's son and Mamata an outsider were seen outside Mamata's residence in the city. Yesterday at a rally, Mamata called BJP an outsider.
আমি বাংলার লোক বাইরের লোক হয়ে গেলাম ভাই আর তুমি দিল্লির লোক বাইরের লোক হলে না তুমি রাজস্থানের গুন্ডা তুমি গুন্ডা হলে না তুমি বহিরাগত হলে না আর আমি বাংলার লোক তোমার বাড়ি মিদনাপুরে আমার বাড়ি বীরভূমে তফাৎ এইটুকু তোমার নন্দীগ্রাম জ্বললে আমি আসি আমার বীরভূম জ্বললে তুমি যাও এইটুকু তো তফাৎ.
And Nandigram is going to be a very fiercely fought battle. Anyway, the West Bengal election is going to be fiercely fought between the BJP and the TMC, and Nandigram is going to be the highlight. Let's decode the battle of Nandigram for you. Let's bring that across your screen. Now, Mamata and Shivendu know each other's every move really well, and that is something that everybody knows. What is at stake here? The stake is the survival of Mamata Banerjee's credibility and the survival of Mamata Banerjee and the credibility of Shivendu Adhikari as well. The BJP plans to give Mamata the toughest possible fight. Remember, Shivendu used to be with the TMC and now he is with the BJP. And Mamata shifting to Nandigram is being seen as extremely crucial. It shows that she can take on Shivendu in his own bastion. The shift aimed at nixing Shivendu's challenge. This is going to be a big one. So this is the entire battle that we're decoding right here. Nandigram is key to Mamata's political journey. It's going to be a big one right there. Shivendu was key to Mamata's Nandigram rise as well. And now Mamata and Shivendu are facing off each other. Remember. So this is us decoding Nandigram, how important it is in the context of West Bengal elections. We have Indro, who's joining us live for the very latest on this. Indro, we just decoded how important Nandigram is, as far as this West Bengal election is concerned. What is the pulse that you're picking up? You're right there. You know the mood on the ground, the sentiment as far as Nandigram is concerned, the electorate is concerned. What are you picking up? Mamata versus Shivendu, the big one right there.
Well, Chaiti, it's an epic battle, and I can tell you on the ground here in Nandigram, the atmosphere is electrifying because both these heavyweight leaders, Mamata Banerjee and Shivendu Adhikari, both here in town today. It's going to be a big day. Mamata Banerjee filing her nomination and Shivendu Adhikari, of course, inaugurating his party office. I'll just give you a sense because we are here right outside the new party office that Shivendu Adhikari is going to open. And these are the kind of posters that have been put up across Nandigram. It says, Nandigram Mednipurer Bhumiputra ke chahe, Bohiragoto ke noy, which clearly says that Nandigram wants its own son of the soil, Shivendu Adhikari, and not an outsider. That's what Shivendu Adhikari's camp is hitting back at Mamata Banerjee. I'll try and give you a tour of the new election office that Shivendu Adhikari is going to inaugurate in a short while from now. His supporters have already started lining up at this election office. This is, of course, the new party office. You can see it's written Nandigram Bidhan Sabha Bharatiya Janata Party Kendriya Nirbachani Karjalaya, which is a central office of the party. And we'll just go inside and show you what's the kind of preparation, because since morning what we are seeing is there's a special puja that's taking place inside this office. Okay, and Shivendu Adhikari, of course, will be coming here any moment now. This, of course, is a new office. It's a new 3-story building which has been converted into an election office. I will try and show you his supporters, of course. I can see his aide Konishka Panda is here. This is the puja and havan that's taking place here. Special puja and havan organized before the inauguration of the Shivendu Adhikari party office. What's interesting, Chaiti, of course, is that an image of Bharat Mata is being worshipped. If my camera person can zoom in and show. Very, very symbolic. An image of Bharat Mata being worshipped and a special Havan being conducted by the priests here. And any moment from now, we can expect Shubhendu Adhikari to come and join this puja and also inaugurate and speak to his supporters here in Nandigram. So at one point in time, on one side, where Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee will be hopping very... We did see her doing the same.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.